Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do a mobile deposit on PNC Bank. To get started, make sure you have your check ready and the PNC Mobile Banking app installed on your phone. First, endorse the check. Sign the back of the check. Directly below your signature, write exactly, "For PNC Mobile Deposit only." This step is important because it allows the check to be deposited through the mobile app. Next, open the PNC Mobile Banking app and log in using your user ID and password. Once you are signed in, go to the More Tools section or your account dashboard and tap on the Deposit option. Now, select the account where you want the money deposited. This can be your checking account, savings account, or another eligible account. After choosing the account, enter the exact dollar amount shown on the front of the check. Double-check the amount to make sure it matches the check. You will then need to take photos of the check. Place it on a dark, uncluttered surface so it stands out clearly. Using the app's camera feature, capture an image of the front of the check and then the back. Make sure the photos are well lit in focus, and show all four corners of the check. If everything looks correct, tap Submit to send your mobile deposit for processing. You may receive a confirmation message after the deposit is successfully submitted. Thanks for watching.